We just launched a complete rebuild of Kilo code for VS Code. Here's what's new. Parallel tool calls and sub-agent delegation. Kilo now executes multiple tool calls concurrently. File reads, terminal commands, searches, all running at the same time instead of blocking on sequential execution. On top of that, Kilo spins up parallel sub-agents, each performing its piece of the work in parallel, and then condensing the results back to the parent agent. The Agent Manager, a unified interface for managing all your agent sessions, parallel or otherwise. Spin up new agents through tabs. Monitor what each one is doing. It's natively integrated with Git work trees, and the built-in diff reviewer shows every change an agent has made, file by file, unified or split view. Leave line-level review comments directly on the diff, hit send to all chat, and every comment with its file path, line number, and the code in question goes straight to Kilo as structured context. Parallel agents with work trees. Each agent operates in its own Git work tree, a separate copy of the repo. One agent adds an API endpoint. Another refactors the auth module. A third writes tests. No stepping on each other's code. When they're done, apply changes directly, commit, or create a PR. Same workflow as handling branches from different developers on your team. Multi-model comparisons. Run Claude Sonnet 4.6 against GPT 5.4 on real tasks, not benchmarks. Model selection goes from guesswork to something that you can actually test. And because the extension and CLI share the same portable core, sessions carry across surfaces. Start in the CLI, pick it up in VS Code at your desk. Session continuity isn't a bolt-on, it's built into how the system works. Try it out to experience building at Kilo speed.